Hello everyone, and welcome back to Interior Decor Designs. Today we're diving deep into the world of modern apartment decor, exploring its essence, benefits, and practical application. If you're looking to transform your apartment into a stylish and contemporary haven, you've come to the right place. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing for more home decor and design tips. Let's begin by defining what we mean by modern apartment decor. Modern design, in its simplest form, is a style that emphasizes clean lines, functionality, and a minimalist aesthetic. It's about creating a space that is uncluttered, bright, and inviting. Think open floor plans, neutral color palettes with pops of color, and a focus on natural materials. It's not about stark minimalism, but rather a sophisticated and comfortable environment that reflects contemporary living. Now, why should you embrace modern apartment decor? The benefits are numerous. Firstly, modern design can make smaller spaces feel larger and more open. The emphasis on clean lines and uncluttered surfaces creates an illusion of spaciousness. Secondly, it's a timeless style. While trends come and go, modern design has enduring appeal, ensuring your apartment will remain stylish for years to come. Thirdly, modern decor is incredibly versatile. It can be adapted to suit a variety of personal styles, from minimalist chic to a more eclectic mix of modern and other influences. Finally, a well-designed modern apartment can create a sense of calm and order, promoting a more relaxed and comfortable living environment. So, how do you actually achieve a good modern apartment decor? Starts with a plan. Begin by assessing your space and determining your needs and style preferences. Focus on creating a functional layout that maximizes space and flow. Choose a neutral color palette as your base, think whites, grays, and beiges, and then introduce pops of color through artwork, accessories, or textiles. Invest in quality furniture pieces with clean lines and simple designs. Don't be afraid to mix and match textures, but keep the overall look cohesive. Pay attention to lighting, both natural and artificial, as it plays a crucial role in creating the right ambience. Finally, declutter. A key element of modern design is keeping surfaces clear and organized. Now, let's talk about the best items to incorporate into your modern apartment decor. Invest in a comfortable and stylish sofa with clean lines. A statement rug can anchor the space and add a touch of personality. Consider minimalist artwork that complements your color scheme. Mirrors are a great way to enhance natural light and create the illusion of more space. Indoor plants add a touch of nature and bring life to your apartment. Don't forget about textiles. Throw pillows, blankets, and curtains can add texture and warmth to the space. Finally, choose lighting fixtures that are both functional and stylish. To complete your inspiration, here are 10 inspiring modern apartment decor ideas. 1. The minimalist haven. Focus on a monochromatic color palette, minimal furniture, and a clutter-free environment. Think sleek lines and hidden storage. 2. The industrial chic. Incorporate exposed brick, metal accents, and vintage furniture for a raw and edgy feel. 3. The Scandinavian sanctuary. Embrace light wood tones, natural materials, and cozy textiles for a warm and inviting atmosphere. 4. The mid-century modern mix. Blend iconic mid-century furniture pieces with contemporary accents for a stylish and timeless look. 5. The bohemian modern. Combine modern furniture with bohemian-inspired textiles, artwork, and plants for a relaxed and eclectic vibe. 6. The colorful contemporary. Use bold colors and patterns to create a vibrant and energetic space. 7. The Art Deco inspired. Incorporate geometric shapes, metallic accents, and luxurious fabrics for a glamorous and sophisticated feel. 8. The biophilic design. Bring the outdoors in with an abundance of indoor plants, natural materials, and large windows. 9. The smart home integration. Incorporate smart home technology for seamless control of lighting, temperature, and entertainment. 10. The multifunctional space. Design your apartment to serve multiple purposes, such as a living room that doubles as a home office. We hope this video has inspired you to create your own modern apartment oasis. Remember, it's all about creating a space that reflects your personal style and enhances your lifestyle. Don't forget to like this video, Subscribe to Interior Decor Designs for more design inspiration, and leave a comment below sharing your favorite modern decor tips. After this, we will provide you a gallery of best modern mansions house design ideas for your inspiration. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to the Interior Decor Designs channel for more inspiring interior design and home decor contents. Thank you and see you on the next inspiring and informative videos.